Yes, good everyone. Welcome to Global Gift TV. In recent time, I've already showed you how this platform AGRO coin works. But for the new members who don't know how this platform works, I'm going to show you and how to make at least 30,000 naira from this app. This app pays you Naira and USDT into your account. It can be paid to your USDT wallet account or your bank transfer here in Nigeria. Okay, if you are not Nigeria, you can also join to take part in this platform. Okay, one is very easy and it's superly different from others. Okay, make sure you watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you how to get started, guys. Here is Global Gift TV. To talk about to make money and how to manage money. Talk about different type of opportunity you can also use to make money online. If you're to this channel, can you subscribe to this channel? Make sure you like this video and drop a nice comment if you enjoy this video. Yes, coming to my PanPay account now. I withdraw 32,000 naira 800 naira from this app. Okay, 32,800 naira I withdraw from this platform. Okay, and it was paid to me yesterday successfully. App now to see the withdrawal history I made from this platform. The withdrawal history. Okay, I was paid 40,000. I was paid 40 USDT. Okay, which was transferred to my bank account. Okay, start my bank account. You can also do the same thing and also be making 10,000 naira is either daily or monthly, depending on how willing you want to deposit in the platform and how you want to start. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, for new members on now to register, simple and easy. Let me log out to my account to show you how to register your account. The first thing you're going to do is that I'm going to drop the link in the description below so that you can register. You have to fill your details and your password, your number, and fill all the credentials you are needed. Okay, after that you will log into your account like this and it's going to be showing the same way you see my own account showing like this. The first thing you are going to do is that to check their miners. Okay, there are different type of miner which you can enjoy and also make money from it. The first one, which is the $10, okay, $10, which gives you $1 daily. Okay, it gives you $1 daily for 20 days. Okay, give you $10 daily for 20 days. That means you have made at least $20 from this platform. That is a huge profit for you if you are starting with the $10. Okay, the second one, which is the $30, which gives you 1.20 USDT daily, and for 60 days you'll be earning $1.20 for 60 days. Okay, come to my calculator now to show you. Let's say you make 1.2 times 60 days, that is you are making $72. Okay, minus it from the $30 you are starting with, that is the profit of 42, the profit of 32. We are making the profit of $42. Okay, the second one, the third one, which is starting with the price of $50, you should be earning 2.50 USDT daily. Okay, you're earning 2.2% daily, and you'll be getting for 60 days you'll be earning that. Okay, the second one, which is the first one, which is the 90 USDT, you'll be earning 3.50 USDT daily. If you calculate 3.50 USDT times 90 days, that is a huge profit. Okay, minus the amount you deposit, this is $90. Okay, before the 60 days you have already make your capital back and you should be earning profit from this platform. Okay, if you need more miners from this platform, it's very easy. You have the one of 500 USDT, which gives you $7 every day. Okay, give you $7 every day for the total period of this 365 days. The second one there is 800 USDT, which gives you $11 daily for 365 days. If you have that, you can also join there. The last one in this platform, which is the $1,000, which gives you 13%, $13 every day, $13 every day for 365 days, or at least like 90 days. You have already make your $1,000. Okay, let's see 13 times 90 days and let's see how going to be here. 90 times 13. Okay, you see, you have already made your capital before 90 days and you'll be earning much profit in this platform. After you have seen the miner before you deposit, okay, just come here, you see deposit here. You can deposit through USDT, TRC20 or your bank account. Just click on it and put the amount of USDT you want to deposit. So let's say you are depositing 50 USDT. After that, you copy the address, make the payment to the address. After that, you upload your screenshot so that the person can see you have made the payment. After that, you click on this complete, and within 1 minute the payment has been arrived to your balance, and which you can use to buy the miner. The second recharge method, which is the bank one, that is very easy, boys. It usually takes some time, but if you don't have USDT, and their one USDT is 60, their one USDT, it is 850, okay, 850 to Nigeria currency. You are going to put your $50 here and click on recharge now, and you are going to make the payment exactly showing in your account. Okay, you are going to make the payment according to the amount showing in your platform. Okay, make sure you make the payment, and after that you just have to see this arrow here and you buy the miner. Okay, you buy the miner you want to buy. After I buy the miner, just have to come here. You see this arrow here, see an arrow here, you come here. The arrow you see here, you can come here every 24 hours to mine it. Okay, 24 hours you can come here to mine it. Make sure you set your time so that you don't forget when to come and mine this here. Okay, and the next one to also know about the platform is that to withdraw is very simple. You come to this bar here, you see withdraw, the 3 bar down below here, the 3 bar which is here, is this here. Okay, it is here, which you are going to click on it. You click on this your withdraw. Before you withdraw, make sure you set your withdrawal address. Set your withdrawal address, and you'll be charging fee of, if you want to withdraw USDT, you'll be charging withdraw fee of 15%, and which it takes 2 days. It takes 72 hours for it to drop. Okay, it takes 30 hours for it to drop. But for the other one, which is it takes on 2 hours, is the tax due day, which is the 15th of each month. Okay, every 15th of each month you can withdraw for free without any payment. Okay, you can withdraw for free without you paying any withdrawal fee. So the bank withdrawal is simple too. It's very simple. Just click on this. See the withdrawal pays you for 30 hours to 48 hours, and you'll be charging fee of $20. You have to put all, see here, and it's going to be paid to your account within hours of 30 hours to 48 hours. And if you want to build your team, you also have to come here now. See this, invite friends to join, and you invite your friends to join. Okay, you copy your referral link so that they can also join. Copy your referral link so that they can also join. And make sure you like this video. Make sure you drop a review in this platform. If you already make money from this platform, make sure you drop a nice comment so that you can also help members that want to deposit. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.